Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorials. In our last class, we talked about two-letter words and we formed some sentences with them. In today's class, we are going to be looking at simple Urhobo words. Ibieta enono Urhobo. After which, we are going to form sentences with them. Let's get started. A. Yes. Ejo. No. Biko. Please. Wowo. Sorry. Or don't be angry. Wokobiro. Thank you. Or you have done so well. Frekoto, be careful. Jowo, stop that or stop it. Yare, come. Yara, go or go away. Memera, gently. So now, we are going to form some sentences with the words. Eferie mure. A. Has Efe eaten? Yes. Efe, wokariem. Ejo. Efe, will you eat food? No. Onime, biko kebe emu. My mother, please give me food. Ugbeyame, biko wowo. My friend, please don't be angry. Or, my friend, please, I am sorry. Wokobiro oseme. Thank you, my father. Frekoto. Be careful. Omona. Frekoto. This child, be careful. Tega. Frekoto. Tega. Be careful. Fejiro, Jowo. Fejiro, stop it. Ese, biko yare. Ese, please, come. Biko yara, please, go away. Biko yara pe eki. Please go to market. Biko yara pe isikuru. Please go to school. Biko ya memera. Please walk gently. Okay, so we are going to look at new words in the sentences that we have formed. Ugbenya, friend. Emu, food. Ose, father. Oni, mother. Eki, market. Isikuru, school. Take our time to learn these new words and try and form sentences with them also. Above all, these sentences we have formed, I encourage you to learn them. We are not in a hurry. This, our school, we are not graduating from it any moment from now. So take your time. Just the same way we learned English language, gradually building our vocabulary. That is the way we are going in this Urhobo language. Be patient, love it, and we are going to make real good progress. Thank you for coming today. There be any question, put them in the comment section, and when next we meet, we'll discuss them. Bye bye. Wado wakobeka.